Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, children. So we'll move to the next question. Question is, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which ABCD is it question number 5, I think. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which quadrilateral in which P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD and DA. AC is a diagonal. AC is the diagonal. AC is the diagonal. Show that. First one, SR parallel to AC and SR equal to half AC. Second one, PQ equal to SR. And third one, PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, children, did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll explain it. See, children, you know about the midpoint theorem, right? Midpoint theorem. Okay, so let me draw one thing you can identify now. What do you mean by midpoint theorem? What do you mean by midpoint theorem, children? What do you mean by midpoint theorem? How can you identify it? See, children?
Uh,
See. Yeah, I will SR. Let me take SR. S and R are the midpoint. So the line joining SR is parallel to the
AC.
third side. See this. This is a triangle now. Clear? This is a triangle. And what is our midpoint theorem? SR is
Parallel to AC.
parallel to AC.
And half of AC.
Half of AC. Only that. So that first one is over. We have to prove that. Just write it. Okay. So in triangle, first one, in triangle DAC. In triangle DAC, S is the midpoint of AD. Midpoint of AD. And R is the midpoint of AC. R is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, SR is parallel to AC and SR equal to half AC by, sorry, R is the midpoint of DC, right? Sorry. SR equal to half AC by midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. Now we will prove the second one. PQ equal to SR. Okay, children. Now look at the other side. When PQ is the line joining. Look at the other side. Okay. Let me draw the other side also. PQ. Can you see PQ? You have to prove the next one about PQ. And take this triangle. Take this
Yes, ma'am.
triangle. Yes, yes. This triangle, okay. So we can use the same theorem there.
Yes, ma'am.
That what is that?
Midpoint theorem.
PQ is
PQ is
parallel
to
to
AC.
AC itself and
half
PQ
of.
equal to half of. In triangle, that triangle's name is BAC. In triangle BAC, similarly, PQ parallel to AC and PQ equal to half AC. Clear, children? PQ equal to half AC. Can you see the writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now look at this. PQ equal to half AC and PQ equal to half AC and SR equal to half AC. PQ equal to half AC.
Therefore, PQ is equal to SR.
Yes, yes. From 1 and 2. SR also half is AC. PQ also half AC. So from 1 and 2. SR equal to PQ. So we proved that also. Now we have to prove that this PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, children, now look at here. We have to prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. Hello, listen. Now we proved that PQ is parallel to AC. Sorry, PQ is parallel to AC and SR is parallel to AC. Clear? What does it mean? I already told you once. One line is parallel to another line and that line is parallel to another line. A is parallel to, I'll write here somewhere. A is parallel to B and B is parallel to C. What does it mean? Huh? One line is parallel to another line and this is A, this is B and this is C. What does it mean? See children, PQ is parallel to AC. Clear? PQ is parallel to AC. Look at here. I have already explained about this once. PQ is parallel to AC. Okay. And SR is also parallel to AC. What does it mean? SR and PQ are parallel, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So these two lines are parallel.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is a common parallel line. Means PQ is parallel to SR. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? And now we know that these two are equal. These two are equal and these two are parallel. Means opposite sides are equal and parallel. Means
It's a
PQRS is
parallelogram.
a parallelogram. Clear? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, children, now we will write that. We'll write that. 1 minute. Okay. PQ parallel to AC. SR parallel to AC. Therefore, PQ is parallel to SR. And from 2, PQ is equal to SR. Therefore, PQRS is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. Even though this figure is too much confused or a complicated figure, but the proof is easy. That is the specialty of these two chapters. Okay, children. Now, I'll give a question to you. Shall I raise the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, let me see all of you. All are there? Only Srihari's presence I can feel. Huh? Arun Bhaskar, Dominic, Ebin Thompson, Anthony, Ashik Joshi. Show your smile. Huh? Oh, wonderful smile. Okay, so we'll do the next one. You have to do, I won't explain. Okay. In figure, I don't know the question number. In figure, PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Find the values of x and y. Did you get?
Doing.
Okay. If you get the answer, okay, children. I'm waiting.
I'm doing. Finished.
Finish. Okay, children, did you get it? Okay, shall I explain? Nobody got the answer? Hello, children, nobody got?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Devasena, Anjali Priya, Sania. Nobody got? What is the answer? Anybody got the answer? Okay, children, here you cannot take this first because both two unknowns are there. Since you know that opposite angles are equal for a parallelogram. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal for a parallelogram. But we cannot take those opposite angles. Those opposites because two unknowns are there. So first you take the other one. 5x plus 10 equal to 110.
110.
So 5x equal to 110 minus 10 equal to 100. So x equal to 100 by 5.
20.
20, right. Now you can substitute to the other one.
Ma'am, we can do the co-interior angle also, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes,
Find
yes.
y.
Yes, yes. Yes. You got it then?
Yes, ma'am. 70.
1 minute. Sorry, Chilla, the board is stuck.
Is it
1 minute,
70?
children. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, Srihari.
Is it 70 y?
1 minute, 1 minute. Child, the board is stuck. One minute. EC board is not coming. Okay. 5x equal to 110 minus 10. So x equal to 5x equal to 100. So x equal to 100 by 5 equal to 20. Okay. Now the other one. That is 2x plus 10 equal to y. That is 2 into 20 plus 10 equal to y. You told 50.
I'm 70.
Why? Y equal to 50.
I'm 70.
How? Srihari, how?
Ma'am, I'll check one time.
Did you get the answer, children?
Ma'am, when we do co-individual, we should get to 110 plus 70.
One minute. I'll show. Y plus 110 equal to y plus 110 equal to 180. Y equal to 180 minus 110. 70. Yes.
If it's 3 into x, 3x plus 10, then we'll get answer.
Answer is 50. I don't know what happened. We got this. You. Children, first one what I took, no, that is the correct answer. This is the correct answer, 50 and 20. Clear, children, 50 and 20. Okay. And about this, I will explain why it happened. I'll do it. Okay. Later, next shall I explain it? Srihari?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, 20 and 50 is the answer. So, children, shall I wind up now? So, one more thing. When you come tomorrow, next class, you have to bring compass and scale. Compass, scale, pencil, eraser, everything. Okay, because we are starting with the circles. So, we have to draw the circles and prove. Okay, children? Will you bring?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.